Jai Shri Ram. In the Bhagavad Gita, in the 9th chapter, the 22nd verse, Krishna gives a guarantee. He says that he personally takes care of the yoga kshema of those who are ever devoted to me. See, the word yoga has many meanings depending on the context in which it's being used. Yoga here, Krishna, yoga basically means getting, acquiring all that you want to acquire, all the wealth. Yoga is the acquisition of different types of wealth. And once wealth is acquired, the next worry is it should be preserved so that others don't loot, they don't take away. So Krishna is saying, I ensure that they get what they want to acquire and also preserve, safeguard what they have acquired. So this is the English meaning would be, but those who are always worshipping me with exclusive devotion, meditating on my transcendental form, to them I carry what they lack and I preserve what they have. That is the best English translation. अनन्यास चिंतयन्तो माम ये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्. So 922 Yogakshemam Vahamyaham incidentally is the motto of Life Insurance Corporation of India. 922. Now I have discovered that in the Shukla Yajurveda there is a suktam called Yogakshema Suktam. I will try to read it out. First the meaning. Let us look at the meaning. The Hindi Anuvad. हे ब्रह्मन, हमारे राष्ट्र में पवित्र ज्ञान युक्त तेजस्वी ब्राह्मण उत्पन्न हो, पराक्रमी बाण संधान अर्थात बाण चलाने वाले कुशल शत्रु को भेदन करने वाला महान योद्धा क्षत्रिय उत्पन्न हो, अधिक दूध देने वाली गाय, भार ढोने में समर्थ शक्तिशाली बैल, शीघ्रगामी अश्व, सर्वगुण संपन्न स्त्री, रथ में बैठने वाला तथा शत्रु को जीतने वाले बहादुर उत्पन्न हो, इस यजमान को सभा में जाने योग्य युवक वीर पुत्र उत्पन्न हो, पर्जन्य हमारी इच्छानुसार वर्षा करे, हमारे पौधे फल से युक्त होकर स्वयं पके, हमें अप्राप्य वस्तु की प्राप्ति तथा प्राप्त वस्तु की रक्षा संभव हो. So this Yogakshema Suktam is a prayer for the entire nation. This should be read in school. I will try to read it. So though I am not an expert in Sanskrit, I will do whatever I can. But remember, Yogakshema Suktam should be taught in school and every day this should be read out. This is a national prayer. Brahmano brahmavarchasi jayatam rashtre rajanya shura ishavyoti vyadhik maharathe jayatandhogri dhenuvor dhananga vanashu saptihi पुरंधिर योषा जिष्णुरथेष्टा सभेयो युवास्य यजमानस्य वीरो जायताम निकामे न पर्जन्यो वर्षतु फलवत्यो न औषधयः पचन्त्याम योगक्षेमो न कल्पताम. So न means for us. Jai Shri Ram.